Hello viewers, this is Motorola G84. This device has been launched on Flipkart at a price point under 20,000 rupees. This device comes with some good features and Snapdragon processor. In-hand field of this smartphone is very good. At the front you will get 6.55 inches OLED display. The company provides a silicone TPU case inside the box. That's a good sign. This is Phantom Red. Let's boot up the device and show you what's inside is there. Let's keep the smartphone aside and see what else is there. Inside the box you will get the documentation. If you want to read, you can read, and there is SIM ejection tool. Then there is 33-watt turbocharger. You can charge your device very fast using this adapter. This looks very solid and the build quality is also very good. Then there is type A to type C cable for charging your smartphone with type C cable. Let's keep these things aside. Coming on to the smartphone, this is a very lightweight smartphone. Let me boot up the device and show you what else is there inside this Motorola G84. The 6.55 inches OLED display looks very gorgeous. You can see here it is a 120Hz refresh rate display and it feels very snappy and fluid. It comes with near stock Android, so it feels very snappy and fluid, and there is, you can see the notification toggle is like Pixel phones. This phone is powered by Snapdragon 695 processor and it is running on Android 13, and it will get one major OS update in future. This smartphone is ideal for those users who want a phone under 20,000 rupees with optimum amount of processing and good software performance. This comes with vegan leather at the back and it feels like leather, and the color is red and it looks very gorgeous. So if you want a fluid phone, you can go for Motorola G84 smartphone. This is a value for money product under 20,000 rupees. This phone supports Dolby Atmos and it comes with 3.5mm jack, and also it has 50 megapixel OIS camera, so it will give you an overall all-round performance. Thank you very much for watching.